Hi, this is Mike Martin with Casio, and just came back from the NAMM show this week and still kind of recovering from the exhaustion that is NAMM. But something came in the mail today, and I absolutely had to share it with you. Let me grab this box. So here it is. This is a Casio CT-X700. It's one of the keyboards we showed at the NAMM show, and I believe I got the first one. Smells like a new keyboard. Here we go. Voila. So here it is. This is the CT-X700. It's incredibly lightweight. It looks great. Has some phenomenal new speakers. Currently I'm running it on batteries, although a power supply does come in the box. So you've got everything you need to get started. So you might be thinking, why is Casio making such a big deal out of this? Why am I excited about a portable keyboard? You've got to hear it. It sounds absolutely stellar, and it's a product that anyone can afford. You know, Casio got its start over 37 years ago making portable keyboards, instruments that everybody could afford, that you could take anywhere, that would fit anywhere. And the CT-X700 embodies that spirit and brings the quality to a level that's just absolutely unheard of. So with all that, let's take a listen. So quickly before we dive into the sounds of the CT-X700, I want to give you a quick tour of the front panel. Starting over on the left-hand side, you have the power button, and just below that, your volume level. And then to the right is the rhythm and song controller. You have control over your intros, your variations, fills, endings of the rhythm section. You also have accompaniment control, and you can also dive into your music preset section of the keyboard. Here in the middle of the keyboard, just below the display, there's a button for piano and organ that toggles back and forth between the two. Then we can select either tones, rhythms, or songs. What's great is they've added a category button, so I can go through the different categories of sounds, pianos, electric pianos, organs, guitars, and then once I find a category I like, then I can press tone and go through the variations within that category. We have record and stop for the 2-track recorder, chord mode for the accompaniment, and a switch here to turn on the arpeggiator or the auto harmonizer. On the bottom row, you have direct access to 4 registrations, and there's 8 banks of registrations for a total of 32 performance registrations on the CT-X. In a registration, you can store your rhythms, your tones, your splits, and layers. You'll also find a button dedicated for split and dedicated for layer, and if you hold those down, you get octave switches and more. This section also doubles as the controller for the step-up lesson features of the CT-X700. On the far right-hand side is a numeric pad for direct selecting any tone or rhythm, plus tap tempo, your metronome, and a function button that lets you dive into other capabilities of the keyboard. With the front panel tour complete, let's dive into some of the sounds. What's just so amazing about the CT-X series is how fantastic the sounds are. Every category: pianos, strings, electric pianos, clavinets, basses, drums, brass, solo instruments, synthesizer sounds, and it's an absolute bargain. So that's a quick tour of the CT-X700. This product is shipping now. It's $175. So check your local retailer or check online. For more information, visit CasioMusicGear.com. My name is Mike Martin. Thanks for watching.